Hi, maybe I'm Sosa, maybe I'm not, but you can call me Rice because that's my nickname. Welcome to another architectural review where I sit here and we review architecture of living spaces, maybe one day more. Let me know in the comments if you have any recommendations or on Twitch because we do this also live on Twitch where it's more a variety of structures and buildings. Today I'm going to review the Unicorn family's homes. And this is again for educational purposes. Whether you want to build a house, whether you want to buy a house, or you want to rent a house or apartment or vehicle to live in, all of this can give you ideas that you can implement yourself, and you're just getting perspective from someone who studied architecture. So let's start. This is starting off again. The video will be down below from the Unicorn family. They talk about different things, but I kind of will skip ahead. Already you'll see I already skipped ahead because I want to focus on the space, interior design, and not on everything else. But yes, that is a unicorn in the middle of the space and the entrance corridor. It is. So it's like
everybody's always like, do you even know who that
Do
is?
you even know who that is?
Oh, we have no idea who
this
that
is like the door.
This took a very long time.
Don't forget the unicorn here.
Oh yeah. This unicorn is supposed to be in the pool.
And so they have their wall here on the side with a unicorn.
Over here is my couch. You know.
Okay, they have a living room here. Corridor. Let's put pink anime.
I don't want to throw it away yet because it's
Anime wall.
And then if you head over here,
The fireplace and their YouTube play button.
kind of big day. 100,000 subscribes, and we're still waiting for the 1 million. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe.
Let's go, unicorn fam.
And then we have a bunch of things over here, some plants and stuff.
And
And as a baby,
we're just skipping up there. Okay, so next it's the kitchen here. Put back black, make sure it's black. So here we have that one's not right. Oh no. Again, for those who don't know, I'm drawing with a mouse. Okay, girl's doing her best. It's not like I'm doing it with a pen, so forgive me. So this is the kitchen, and there looks like the dining space ish. Let's say yes, D. Let me know in the comments if you like the setup with me drawing the spaces or this confuses you more.
that's so weird.
Okay, now they have their little kitchen. As you can see, stove. Hello Kitty toast. I never saw Hello Kitty toast, so that's kind of cool. It's like a central island where there's a table in the middle, toaster and stuff. Yeah. She's walking out. With cooking is for broke people. Well, I cook, so I guess you know where I stand.
He's not here right now. He actually left.
Well, skipping. This is the
We plan the TikToks, and we plan what we're gonna buy and stuff. And it's always somebody's birthday, so that's why it says Happy Birthday here.
okay. So this.
Is your birthday?
Happy birthday. And then this is Rodeo's little chair for when he's ready.
Okay.
We have everything.
I'm
This
just.
section is what
Okay, so what? I guessing that this I made too big. That the quarter continues to here, and that this is kitchen / dining room. This is learning process. Learning process. It's all good. You can only guess at this point, but I'm guessing.
do all the photo shoots and music videos. We have blue, pink, and other colors. And a bunch of lights, but who cares? And then over here,
Yep, that's it. The quarter is straight through, and so kitchen, dining room here, and this is their like film thing. Let's put F for film thing. F for film thing. My English today is really the bomb. F for film thing.
actually kind of sad. I don't want to show you guys.
Skip that.
Oh, he's a little.
Okay, now we got here. So I'm guessing this is a corridor. I think it was after this we saw like there was a little thing here. So this is this.
And wait, let me show them the door. And make sure to show them this.
Oh, it's by the aquarium. So yes, I'm right. Okay, so there's a little Okay, the film thing, aquarium thing. So it's here. A little door is here, like a little area, and there's a door here.
We're entering the Hello Kitty room. Oh, Hello Kitty.
Okay, so this is the gaming room.
And this is my gaming station. And this is where we do the music.
And the closet for the music. Let's put
Is it a boy?
J with our closet for music.
Is it a girl? Is it
Before we get copyright for singing. Happy birthday if it's your birthday. Okay, I skipped a room here. When they get in this room?
was that
Me trying to skip. But there's a room somewhere. I'ma put it here, even though that's not what they show, and put
you guys have been all waiting for? That was corny. Our closet. Whoops, sorry, I'm a little self-centered.
okay, so she has closet shared with him. We're just skipping.
Alright.
It's for mantresses. This is like a normal, like regular closet we've seen, and they share it. So to me, that's reasonable.
This is where we have all of our stuffed animals.
So this is like a guest room. I give up trying to situate everything else now.
Oh my god.
More clothes. Okay.
Again.
Give up trying to situate. This is what? Oh, this is the baby room. We're just skipping. Oh, this is for that cat. Now they're outside. That should be easier. Outside.
It's hot in here. I mean, outside, out here, whatever.
Because in LA it's always summer. That's why we live here. We
That's
love it here.
nice.
Always
That's one
sunny.
thing
The weather every
I would
day
like to
is
visit, like California, because always summer, that's my weather. I know I'm saying that while wearing this long sleeve teal, but I like to be hot. I'll be hot than cold. Preference. So you see the gym outside, you see pool, whatever. I'm not drawing. Like, girl, how you want me to draw a pool? Look, pool. Bam. I'm like, is it really represent the pool and its strength? Not at all. But did I still show it? Yes, it's good enough. Okay, he's walking out in his gym. So outside they have a gym. Let's put a G. G, ABCD, FG. Yes, G in English. I always mix up my J and my G's because in French, J is G and G is J. I know.
5%.
So let's go
1
G.
out of 10, 2.
Let's put black.
And then
So
for the best
G
part, for family, we
is
have
the
some
gym.
ropes for gymnastics, and
Wow.
we have some 50 feet rope.
Wow.
Climb this up.
Wow.
Look at
I don't know. I never had to do rope school because I know on American television they do rope climbing. I never had to do it. I think it's not obliged in France to do it, so we don't have that. So it's new to me. He's walking out, and this is the rest of the house outside.
And in the future,
I think it's here because there's a pool shape. I'm guessing it's here, but I'm not sure.
family, so don't. But let us know in the comments, what would you change? What was your favorite room?
And that's it for the house. So let me know. This was a short one. Believe it or not, we did it under 10 minutes. I'm applauding myself. Applaud me too, because literally requested. This one is for HTP specifically, because that's one. If you don't know who HTP Hotels is, he was like, I have videos. If it's under 10 minutes, I watch. I did it. Applause. Comment below. Like the video. Tell me something else, and I'm gone before it's over 10 minutes. Okay. Bye, everybody. Thanks for watching.